Hello, we are from Group 6. In this presentation, we are going to talk about how are robots, AI, and robotics impacting our world. So let's get started. An introduction to robots, AI, and robotics. Robots are machines that supplement or enhance human activities. They can do this in a number of ways. Autonomous robots, such as self-driving forklifts and food delivery robots. Pre-programmed robots, such as the cyberknife and the robotic arm. Artificial intelligence or AI is computer technology that allows something to be done in a way that similar to the way a human would do it. Artificial narrow intelligence or ANI, for instance, Siri by Apple and facial recognition software. Artificial General Intelligence or AGI, for example, machine learning and deep learning. Artificial Superintelligence or ASI, such as AI Sophia. Next, robotics are the science of making and using robots, such as medical robots and service robots. How can they help humanity? Robots produce more accurate and high-quality work. They can produce a greater quantity in a short amount of time. They can save workers from performing dangerous tasks.
The change taking place in the world based on robots, AI, and robotics. In our opinion, there are three changes that taking place in the world based on robots, AI, and robotics. First, AI and robotics impact on the workplace. Robots can work day and night. They don't need breaks like humans and don't need any vacations or medical insurance. They don't have conflicts with their bosses or colleagues and take no personal time to deal with their problems. Employers would have a staff consisting of smart machines. 2. AI and robotics impact on industries. Business owners and manufacturers benefit from the implementation of machine learning algorithms and various kinds of robots, primarily for the sake of increases productivity. 3. AI and robotics impacts on private lives. AI and robots are becoming our everyday assistants. They strain concerns not only business but also day-to-day personal tasks. On this day, people are using numerous home appliances to perform their chores and personal lives.
Our personal opinions and bias. For me, I think AI and robotics are having positive impacts on the world and humanity. I feel this way because robots will create more jobs than they displace, and there is no bias about it. Because it's what's going to happen in the near future. We have to adapt to it.
And for me, I have no bias about it too. I think our society is undergoing numerous technological changes based on AI and robotics. In just a couple of decades, it will be quite different from what it is today. It may be both positive and negative ways, but the truth is that we should start preparing for them now.
The positive change that our group feels these technologies bring.
1. Robots and AI can effectively perform jobs that require repetitive tasks such as working on the assembly line, software testing, creating financial reports, and compiling other documents based on data. Moreover, they easily replace humans in performing hard manual tasks or working in hazardous conditions, such as in the chemical industry or mining.
2. Robots and AI can reduce the amount of waste material used due to their accuracy. 3. New kinds of jobs will appear because of collaboration between automate robotics and humans.
The negative change that our group feels these technologies bring. 1. AI and robotics impact on employment. They can easily replace humans by that powerful ability, so that many jobs will be eliminated. 2. The influence of AI and robotics might be too much on our lives. 3. It will change the way humans live.
How the individual group members would use a personal robot in their lives. For me, if I had my own robot, I would want him to be able to talk to me, able to communicate and help each other. Because at the time we have no one beside, we also have robots to take care of us.
And for me, if I had one, I want she to perform my chores and housework, such as vacuum cleaning, washing my clothes, and hang out the wash to dry, because I don't have enough time to do it all by myself, and because I can't do it well either.
Our personal hopes for this technology. My personal hope is that robots are powerful enough to make human lives more comfortable without destroying the world. Because humans make robots for convenience, not for destruction.
I hope they improve medical care to look after our health. For instance, we may see more robots that will assist people with disabilities and illness, or companionship robots that will provide care and protection for the elderly.
Anyways, machines can't work by themselves. Humans are need to develop software for machines, maintain and fix equipment, or make decisions based on data generated by intelligent technologies. Artificial intelligence and robotics, like other new technologies, are not totally destructive for employment.
The main goal of emerging technologies is not to replace humans in their jobs, but to make all the process safer and more efficient. It's not a confrontation, but rather a beneficial collaboration between automate, robotics, and humans.
I'm วุฒินนท์ ธิตรสกุล
And I'm Lalisaran Karjangwan.
Thank you for your attention.
If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask.